Hi friends, so this video shows how to reset network settings and fix network problems. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, then select additional settings, then go down, then select backup and reset, then select erase all data. So here you can see reset network settings. So this option will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. It also delete existing APN and then create a new working APN. So tap on this option, then tap on reset network settings. Okay, done. If this is not fixing your issue, you can try reset system settings only. Tap on this option. So this option will reset system settings including network settings. Tap on system settings only, then again tap on that. So now it's restoring. Okay, done. So these are the two options to reset network settings and fix network related issues. So please try it.